In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of printing from a Canva document with ease. Whether you're a seasoned Canva user or just getting started, printing your designs accurately can be a breeze with the right guidance. First, let's dive into accessing your Canva document. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading straight to Canva. Once you've logged in, or if you're already logged in, navigate to your documents. You should see a list of your previously created projects. Find the specific document that you're aiming to print and click to open it. It's important to review the document one last time just to ensure everything looks exactly the way you want when it prints. Keep an eye out for alignment, colors, and any typos. Remember, a little bit of extra time reviewing can save you a holdup later. Now that you have your document open and reviewed, it's time to prepare it for printing. Canva requires you to download your document before you can print it. But don't worry, this is a straightforward process. Head over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the download button. Click on it and you'll be prompted with some options. For this scenario, let's choose PDF Standard. This file type works best for printing purposes as it ensures high quality and preserves font styles. Click Download and your document will begin preparing. Depending on your design's complexity, this might take a few seconds. Once it's ready, your browser might show a notification that your file has been downloaded. If not, just check your designated download folder on your computer. After ensuring the document has been successfully downloaded, it's time for the actual printing process. Go ahead and locate the document file in your downloaded items. Double-click it to open. This will typically open the document in your PDF viewer. Once it's up on your screen, navigate to the top menu and find the Print button. Clicking that should bring up your printer's settings interface. Take a moment here to ensure all settings reflect your preferences, whether you want double-sided printing, what paper size you're using, and any other specific settings your project might require. After confirming everything is in order, hit the Print button and watch your document come to life. Now you should see your beautiful Canva creation hot off the press, ready for whatever purpose you intend. Congratulations, you've successfully printed your Canva document. This process is quite intuitive once you've done it a time or two, and hopefully this guide has helped clear any uncertainties. Thank you for tuning in and happy designing.